Hey everybody, I'm at the Milwaukee Pipeline event. I'm here with Rebecca, and we're going to talk about the M12 3-inch orbital detail sander.
Yeah.
Right? Tell us about it.
So this is going to be a random orbital detail sander. Really great for applications on site for installed material where you're looking to get removal rate with a little bit of finesse. So because of its inline design, you're able to get onto compact, small surface areas, really allowing you to feather in the removal rate that you're looking for. This is going to be truly disruptive to the carpentry industry. It also offers active dust collection. It's going to be the very first 3-inch sander to offer active dust collection, delivering over 80% dust collection. So really great supplement to larger sanders for those installed materials where it might just be too big, too bulky, maybe too aggressive in certain situations.
I like the feel of it. It's got the round head. You know, if you're using it this way or this way. I like the light.
Yeah, so it's adjustable on, off. I'm sorry?
4 speeds?
4 speeds from 4,000 to 10,000 OPM.
Okay.
So really able to get in the removal rate that you're looking for. Again, that active dust collection.
And it's a nice positive connection. I also noticed you have some sort of a holster. What's that all about?
Yeah, so this is going to be our added tool holster that we'll include into the box.
Boom.
Great for job site mobility. It will have an optional screw hole as well for any type of tool storage.
Mounting or something?
Yep, for transit or shop environments. It's really great for that.
Did you mention price availability yet?
I have not. So this is going to be available for pre-orders starting today.
Okay.
So super exciting on that front. It'll start shipping early August, around $179 for a price point.
And is that a bare tool or is that a tip?
It will be a bare tool.
Bare tool.
It'll include the tool holster, universal hose adapter, our bag here, and a selection of 9 different abrasives, a pad saver to extend the life of that backing pad, as well as a 3-inch sponge interface pad for contours for complex trim. So really able to get that finish that you're looking for without marring or
So Rebecca, does it come with a bag or does it just come in a box? It's a bare tool.
I'm sorry?
Does it come with a bag or a box or?
It'll come with a bag and a universal hose adapter.
So a little bag with a zipper bag, a storage bag?
It will not, just tool.
So it comes in a cardboard box and you figure it out on your own.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, this is very cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I appreciate
no problem.
it. Thanks for having us.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.